Hello guys, today I will demonstrate on how to make a calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here on my laptop screen, you can see the calculator. This calculator can perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Also, it will perform decimal operations. This calculator will display infinity if you try to divide any number by 0. It will not display any result in case of invalid expression. For example, 5 plus 9 will not display nothing. Clear skin feature to clear the display screen anytime you want. So let's start. Create a folder that contains the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. You can name the files anything you want. Here, the name of the folder is calculator. According to the standard naming convention, the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files are named index.html, styles.css, and script.js respectively. Create a code. Here, I will be using my code. In this code, I have added this link already that will connect HTML CSS file. And here we have the page title. And here is the script, which is the JavaScript file. So here, I use a table tag to create the overall structure of the calculator. The table tag contains 5 rows which represents 5 horizontal sections of the calculator. Each row has a corresponding TR or table row tag. Each TR tag contains TD, which is table data tags that hold the display screen and buttons of the calculator. Code input type equals to button and value equals to 1, which 1 is indicated as button. Then copy so that it will be easy to code and change the number or variable that will indicate the button. Then save to see the output. As you can see here, you create the parts of the calculator. To put it to the center and style, create a code in CSS file. Here are the CSS styles that you will put in the calculator. The dot class selector in CSS targets elements with a specific class attribute. The dot calculator and dot is display box, class selectors, style and table structure, and the display screen of the calculator respectively. After you put the style in a code, save it, and see the output by open the HTML file. As you can see here, you styled the calculator, but when you click the number, there is no result displaying in the display. So add the code in HTML file, onClick equals to display 1. Copy and paste it to the other TD tags and change the number or variable that will display in the calculator. Save it and check the output. So here, still there is no result displaying in the calculator. To make it function, create a code using JavaScript file. Open the JavaScript file and add functionality to the calculator using the following code, then save it. And then open the HTML file and write a code after the table so that the JavaScript file will link to your HTML file. Then save it. And that's it. You create a calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file.